some weeds. We pick the weeds because they hurt our plants, and I don't like that. And that's why we pick the weeds and grow from chicken food. And this was where our silkies were, and where we feed them their food. But now we gotta pick these food things, or they'll hurt our garden. And our chickens love the weeds, so we give the weeds our chickies. We also got tiny ones. And I might give some to them. Chickens love weeds, also the ducks. And I'm saving some for our other chickens. For all of them. They all like chicken and weeds. Just like we feed them weeds. The weeds hurt our plants because they block our plants, so they can't get in the sun, any sun, or they can't get any jinx. And they'll not grow without sun and jinx. And I really want them to grow. That's why I'm pulling these weeds. They're very big.